So my name is Karen Coombs. I'm from the University of Houston Libraries, and a year ago I talked about a content management system we'd built in Coldfusion, and I showed it, and I thought it was kind of nifty at the time, but my staff have been working on it for the last year, and it really has come a long way. The basic way this works is pages have owners. If I'm the owner of a page, then I can go in and edit it. And the way I do that is I navigate to the page I want to edit. So I'm going to edit the GovDocs page. Yeah, and browse the web to make my life more difficult. So I log in. This is actually using our Active Directory. And what I get is the page is broken up into a layout, and in each section of a layout I can put various modules. And we've designed these modules so that they're very compartmentalized. So this section here is actually really text. It's a WYSIWYG module. And I could go in and edit the text, and the WYSIWYG's going to load in a second here. But there are lots of other kinds of modules on this page. For example, this Hot Topics, I want to section, each of these two sections are something we call quick links, and so here you see the WYSIWYG, and these draw upon a table of metadata that we maintain that has all the library's web pages in it, all the databases we subscribe to, and all of the links we link to externally. So when we update links, it cascade updates throughout the site. So we can fix broken links throughout the site very, very, very easily. This system has really enabled us to do some really fabulous things. And one of the things I'm going to show you is a page I created over the break, during the breakouts. Libraries. Psychology. If I can spell psychology. So this is a psychology subject guide, sort of, and it's just the foundations of one. And we've built this system because we want our subject selectors, a lot like the people from Oregon State who presented this morning, to easily be able to create these pages. So we have a module that does contact information, and what Veronica would go in and do is add the contact information module, select her own name, put it on the page. We have a module that will create search tabs, and we have a bunch of different search tabs. Yeah. There's still little buggy things like redirecting HTTPS. So there's a bunch of search tabs that they can all add. I kind of talked to you about the quick links ones before. There's modules for, well, these are all of them. There's modules for adding a feed, an RSS feed from other places. There's modules that allow us to pull things from our events calendar, specific kinds of events for a specific subject, for a specific user group, or some combination thereof, and put them on a page. So we're hoping that the end result of this will be that the subject selectors, and you can see this is how the contact list works. Veronica's name is highlighted. The subject selectors will be able to easily create these pages. And I actually created this in like 3 minutes. And you know, it just really has made us be able to reuse content on our site, and we really, really are like it. We're hoping that, I'm hoping by the fall I'll have obtained permissions to open source the Coldfusion part of the code, and we'll have changed the database backend from Microsoft SQL Server to MySQL. In fact, we're partway through that right now. And like I said, it's just a great tool because it lets the subject selectors do what they want to do, as well as the other people who maintain web pages.